Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G5s Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store and download an app called Repos for Instagram. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Open it and go into your Instagram. Pick a photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click on the three dots. Choose Share To and pick Repost App by tapping on it. Then go back to the Repost app and tap on the photo that you want to download. Click on the square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Then click Allow. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!